right on these rocks. Then you go over there. And we just want to make sure we're okay. Promise? And we were walking down the train tracks, and I just want to know you are a beautiful bird.
Oh, that's nice of you. Can we go to the playground?
Yeah.